everyone, this video is about the demonstration of our custom module import fees and HS code. After installing our module in the inventory, under the configuration tab, you can see the HS code menu, and from the HS code you can create multiple HS code that are used by your business. And in the HS code you can add various countries and its applied charges at the time of the import, and you can also add products to which this HS code will be applied. Also, you can create the category with the HS code. And then whenever the new product will be created with that category, it will take the HS code of its parent category. So you can see that it has fetched the harmonized code from the category. Now I am setting its cost price and its sale price inside the category, setting the cost and method to average, and inventory to automated. And now creating a purchase order of that specific product. With the importer who is based in the Japan, so it will take the taxes of the Japan. Here setting quantity to 10. So as the unit price is 100, you can see that the total is this. And now when I will confirm the order, now creating a landed cost. Scroll down and there you can see the three different tabs. One of the custom duties, additional cost and valuation adjustment. Click on the calculate custom duties and it will calculate the taxes that will be entered for that specific HS code. And when you will enable the capitalize VAT into the inventory button, then it will include the VAT in the custom duties and will increase the valuation of the inventory. Currently I am not enabling it. So you can see that the total custom duty is 581 and the VAT charge which is not included is 132. After validating in the valuation adjustment, you can see that the original value, which was 1000 for the 10 quantity, its now value is 1500. Now moving into the product, you can see that the cost price, which is set to 100, has been increased by $58.18, and now the new cost price is 158.8. You can also print this custom duties which are applied on this order from the gear icon. So here this concludes the demonstration of the custom module import fees in HS code. Thank you.